saya mesti buat. Tunggu dengan punya tujuan tu, pasal macam kau kaman. Okey. Kami makan dengan pasal.
Aku ya feed them boss.
No, goat. Yeah.
Oh.
Goat man, yeah.
So hold it for goat ya.
Ya man, baga biya pa we ko max feel so. May some goatami and me last time I ship them. Yeah. Man put on water to blood clot. And put on wig and frock. Yeah. Sorry, don't know how get them off contact up, you know. Yeah. Ship them, kill my max. From auntie yard, you know. And you know grass up them can't buy back feed better. Back feed there better. Yes, Jesus Christ. So speed go buy. One bag, yes.
Let me play for fear grass with the goat.
Yeah man. I better maybe find one of
so about how much goats they have?
A whole heap man, a whole heap. Whole heap goat man, whole heap. Can't count. Yeah, you better play this thing gone when I yard there. Come back. Okay. Martin job we no come further up the south, go and put, you know?
Put some up on it.
Right.
How we can full up this?
Yeah, man can full up the sink, you know? Yeah.
Test this if I want to recipe.
So the water, the sea show. The water. This is the easiest place to go across. Why you all like deep, dog? All like all like deep. Guys, we are trying to reach over the side there.
Look at that. So where tree start. Chop off then this go.
Guys, we are trying to reach over on the other side. Yeah, we put the phone in a bag and camera in a bag. Guys, we are trying to reach over. Go like deep, dog. We have to just protect the phone and the camera. Them. We are going to get wet up. Go like deep. Guys, we want to try to reach over this, but 2 and 3 drop down. But in order for reach over there, we still are going to get wet up. Guys, look at the water. It's so beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Dog, dog afraid. Yo, I first dog was afraid of water. Look at that, guys. See how we use and cross some pieces, see it? See it? Yo, take time with the camera hard in the boss. Alright, people, they're gonna see you. Watch ya. Yes, sir. Watch out, guys. Watch your heart. Come on, watch out.
Come on, no, boss. Now, come on.
Yeah, so we reach over.
Yeah. Reach over one part and one place with this. Watch out. You know why we don't come to the same place? Bush up.
Yeah, man, for them.
So we have to go find one spot and let's do what we have to do.
Hurricane barrel tear down everywhere. Everywhere look the same.
I got to them on live again. Live in living colors. Best of Sunday morning, peeps. What there, man? Soon on the scene.
Place bush up pumpkin and grow like nothing.
There's no pumpkin
No,
there.
no, if you see none of your car though.
No fit pumpkin. Look at the young. I barely left some seeds. The berry left some pumpkin seed.
Oh. Man, I tell you, journey rough.
How do what?
Who that? Tonight I tell you to see bamboo them there. But you know like you see. We can go through this, anyway. Through this, go through this. I want a tunnel. One tunnel of bamboo. I'll go back right up there. Yeah. Hey, last time we come here, so we did do this, dog. We fish on it. Yeah. Right then. Reach back. Stone ain't take them, we must see. They did it. Oh. The water pretty.
Yeah, peeps, so we reach for this spot now. Look at the water. There's nobody now come after because we got no place. You know why nobody come after?
This water. You're afraid of water, man. Our first dog was afraid of water. So we make a wrap up with people in the video, give them.
Yeah, man, we're there, man. We're walking off the ball, man. So stick and stay.
Maybe you want update.
Okay.
Maybe.
Keep me you for watch it up.
Yeah.
I
don't know. They are pack out the things on the table. Flour. Scallion. You know me say time can't get. Everything's scarce. $1,000 a pound for scallion I go down the market a while ago. And for a woman ago, I'm not having no time. I buy one plant from him, $200. I say if you see plant where woman, I give me. I have to tell the man keep you and give back me $200. Yes, I'm done fuck out now. Alright.
Bamboo this morning, you know, rain fall from wind, so the place wet up, the wood there wet up. So bamboo this morning. Fast of fire. Good day, man. You have them vibes? Out.
Fish them. Done scrape already. Yeah guys, so we are making some vegetable fritters today. Some escovitch fish with fried plantain. So I add a little salt. So I have purple onion, white onion, thyme, tomato, bell pepper, scallion. I go add in the flour. So some vegetable fritters today. Fried fish, fried plantain. You say use more flour than that? Or that good?
But when I taste one of them, I say alright. Or if I didn't know, I make more.
Because I have about half pound of flour that.
Can't too much.
Yeah man, I know man. So I got to add a little bit more flour.
But it's nice, you have to go try some.
Alright. So we are going to use some coconut milk. So we are going to combine everything together. some more water.
Yes, peeps, we at it again.
Coconut milk smell good in boy. Hey guys, welcome back to Caribbean Vibes Adventure.
See there, a bamboo we have to get because it would kind of wet. So we get rain from wind, so it wouldn't wet, so bamboo fire go and blaze.
I'm going to add some mixed vegetable in here. Yeah, vegetable fritters to them. Season up the fish, so I'm going to add some fish season. I'm going to use a little black pepper, a little all-purpose. Season up the fish then. Rub in. Rub some in the core. Yeah, eating healthy today, guys. Real healthy today.
So yeah, peeps, I'm adding some pimento seasoning and piece of fresh thyme, piece of scallion and pepper. I'm ready for fish. So yeah, I'm going to add in the fish now.
It's not here, it's not going to put up there.
Okay, as you want to come out of it. When he's checking, you want to come out of it. That's why it's your name right here. Fire up in the eye. Yeah. First, the fish is ready. I'll get them out of the pot. I'll get them out of the pot and get them mixed on them. Stubborn farmer working. You eat kind of hot, I cool it down, you eat hot. That's what take you out.
Alright, heat in the rub.
Alright, I come like I eat the rub, give me more heat. I think more heat, but I get him out. Yeah. Fish for days, you see. I push bamboo on the fire. I hold them wet, so you have to work with bamboo. Fish and vegetable splitters and fly planting. Oh my word. Can't wait.
So we are going to make some dressing for the fish. So I'm going to add some fresh thyme. onion, carrot, pimento seed, scotch bonnet pepper. So I will saute them.
You have used that.
Oh, you mean I have used that? The fried pot hot boy. The fried pot hot. Swear. Hot one.
Flip it. Italian or Chinese?
Any one of them. There's an Hola Amigo.
Oh.
A Mexican.
Yeah. Vinegar.
Yeah, vinegar is a good idea. A pepper, yeah, a pepper, yeah, a pepper.
Wow. Flip it.
Yeah, so we are going to add some vinegar now. Wow, that's where it audio them already, boy. Oh, come on. Come to the pot, why it a rock so? I will sprinkle the vegetable and the vinegar over the fish. Dressing, eh? So I wanted to add some bay leaves in it, but I'm going to Shoppers here and couldn't get no bay leaves, guys. So I have to work with them. I have.
The tips, I'll have so you get the filter fritters in the pot. How much do you do it?
Oh, me?
Yeah.
Then for the first 4 they have to.
Yeah. Vegetable fritters for the escovitch fish and fried plantain. Yeah. All I can turn. Bamboo in a piece, so you know bamboo come down. No bamboo come down. Yeah, you have to jar bamboo for underneath pot. You have to watch the fire because we don't want them burn up. Them pretty boy. Color inside of them must have push out. Yeah. Vegetable fritters, escovitch fish, in fried plantain, fully active. And that's how we do that today. Yeah man, we're there for the riverside man, I go all the vibes. See that? Bamboo. Well, have a good sunny day today.
Yeah, man.
Yeah man,
For the
today.
drug crew.
This one drag go.
Yeah, we see what that for.
I'm walking lucky.
See there, see there.
Yeah. I'm walking lucky. Lucky. Come down here. Take out the first set of fritters.
So now sample na there.
Oh yeah, I'm up there.
You sample that little one over there.
You see where the man, hold on.
You know, wait for me to pass it.
You want to?
Put it in.
I keep fire on one side.
Because me, that man hungry. I tell him about wait.
Yeah, I'm just going to move on the next side.
Guys, I can't wait for the food this weekend. God knows. Feels nice, boy.
Yeah.
Feels the seasoned string bean.
Vegetable fritters.
One please.
I don't want to taste it. Very nice, man. Can taste the coconut milk. Oh my word. When this combined with the fish, oh God. You know, want it done. I need to try it. Nice, man.
Hurry up, come with I'm hungry. How much of them are, how much that? 4?
I feel 4 yet. So basically, I'm me for wait. So first over you forget I'm
no,
wait.
I wait because I must say if the plot not for me.
Oh.
Because I'm named by plot for you. Guys, I love planting. Even though planting can't buy right now, I feel like a $500 for one plant.
Input quarter of flour in the pot. And I ask if you put more. And I tell you when you taste my flour, I'm going to say if you didn't know, you don't do all the flour.
So man, so I see there are 5 in a basin right now.
Yeah.
And 5 drop right now, so that's 10. But then 10. So you eat 5 you eat 5.5 and I eat 5.5. You just eat what?
Yeah. So it does add up. Yeah, your peeps I eat that, your last I eat that you have. You know, 2 hours, so we're not overdo it. I'm aim for about.
Yeah, I'm going to go eat some rice and peas with some curry octopus in a water.
Yeah. Yeah. I wash out the plate now. So your peeps open the final lap now, so we just put in the plant them. Get the plant them.
But I burn up my plot them in the bar.
Oh, what's that?
How much is a plot there? About 8.
8, 2, 4, 6, 8, yeah.
3 I give out out.
Yeah man, we're on the final lap man, we're supposed to start with dinner. And we did this today now. Vegetable fritters and escabeche fish with plantain. Yeah. Sunday look good. Can't wait to push you. I'll take one more of them fritters. The fritters remember the fritters I call saltfish in them. You taste the coconut milk on my world. Nice. No saltfish in them, I can't taste saltfish like. You put saltfish like that?
No, it's just straight vegetable.
Bad. Yo, people, when you picture this, vegetable fritters.
Do it with love, man, as I said.
That's why it's right, because we feel love. No.
Yeah.
Fully active. Nice. Peeps at dinner time. Can't talk. You see a bad man as when I eat if you talk. Nice. Vegetable fritters, escabeche fish, fried plantain. Oh my word. Boy, that's when I cook food with love. I want the best food. I want the sweetest food. Oh God, man. Nice. Vegetable fritters. People in the future that want to. I'm betting them it's just soft and nice and mild. You can taste the coconut. You can taste the vegetable. Oh my God. You can taste the seasoning, onion. You can taste the thyme and the scallion. Jesus Christ. Jesus, when I'm busy, come down.
What's your the fork drop?
The fork drop. This body want fork. A hand I use. Fish, nice. Man, if you try that one, man. Good look. Nice.
You're gonna get some more carrot for your eyesight.
Boy, now it's good enough. Boy, more carrot for your eye.
Guys, Last week I say I want to give you something different. You know I make it look like every week I boil food, rice and peas. You know what I mean? So the rest say I want to give them a vegetable fritters, fried fish. I might tell you say vegetable fritters. It tastes like saltfish in it.
God know you come
Man.
like. You heard that put saltfish in it? I tell you brother. Coconut milk.
What?
Right.
You can taste the herbs. You can taste the pimento seed, nice fish. God food, one food can sweet so.
Yeah. People live for there so.
I tell you. Can taste the scotch bonnet pepper.
Yeah.
How can I left out the right plantain?
Yeah.
500 after that one plantain.
Why things gone.
But I'm a huge fan of plantain.
Yeah.
So if it costs $1,000, if I want, I can buy, I go just buy one.
Yes, sir. And food nice. Okay. Nice. Is anything coconut milk going on? A boom. I'm not telling. People who know what you feel about. I like when I like a video them. Share up a video them. We have wait on more video for going on. I just see you know, man. We start out the camp video them. But you know, man. But look like you wear that cutter now, so. We are lining up for them. We have some camping video for now. Just like and share and comment to Big Bad Caribbean Vibes Adventure. Fully active. Please not to know. I first one there, we cook up. I only can go one time. Wow. If it has them nice, then full belly. Nice man to the full belly. Oh man, okay, watch out. I trade them in place and a half left. But I try mash up the next half. My fish actually done. I try mash up the next half. Nice.